Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another amazing makeup tutorial, and on this video we are going to be trying out Dimma Umeh Go-To everyday makeup routine. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get right into this video. So guys, the first thing I went ahead to do was to prep my face and my skin for this everyday makeup look. So I am actually applying sunscreen to my face before going in with any makeup product. So guys, the first thing she went ahead to do was to define her brows, and then she went ahead to highlight the brows before going into blend the concealer she used in highlighting the brows. So that is literally what we are going to be doing for our brows. We're starting off for the brows, which is kind of weird because I literally start my makeup from my face, not the brows, from my skin, not the brows. So it's kind of weird doing this before every other thing. So but we are just trying to go with the routine, but we are looking more on the routine and technique and not on the product. So I'm going ahead to use the LA Get Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan.
Oh, if only I could find a way to rid the fear that's grown inside of me and taking over me. Oh, my innocence is gone and my flame is going strong. Won't let it suffocate. Running fast, pressure's on.
So guys, we're going ahead to blend the highlights, and then the next thing she went ahead to do was to conceal, and I believe she was trying to conceal the dark spots, and that is literally what I did. I decided to conceal the black spots. It's all about the routine, more about the routine and not the products. So that is literally what we are doing. We're trying to conceal the dark spots on my face before going forward to do the next thing. So the next thing she went ahead to do was to apply base, that's to apply foundation, and went ahead to blend. So I'm using the Naked Kiss Beauty, and I also used Mary Kay full coverage foundation, and I literally mix both foundations to get my exact skin to shade. So we are going ahead to apply the foundation to my face or on my face, and then we'll go ahead to blend it all out. I'm using a brush from the makeup brushes I got from Aliexpress, and it's working wonders. It's working magic. I'm loving how fluffy it is and easy to blend the foundation and easy to blend the makeup products.
Can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek.
So guys, after blending, this is what my face looks like, and I am loving how it turned out. So guys, the next thing she went ahead to do was to highlight her under eyes. As you can see, she used a beauty sponge to blend the concealer, or to apply the concealer to her under eyes. So we're just going to apply concealer, and I'm using the same LA Get Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan for my under eyes. Guys, it's an everyday makeup look, so you want to go for a concealer that is a bit close to your skin to shade, not too bright and not dark, and not too bright. So you want to go for something like, let's say, a shade or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So I'm just going ahead to use a damp beauty sponge to blend out the concealer. So guys, the next thing she went ahead to do was to set the highlight. So she went ahead to use a small brush to set the area she highlighted, and I'm using the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02 to set my highlights.
Over me. Oh, my innocence is gone and my flame is going strong.
So guys, she went ahead to set her entire face with a face powder, and I'm going ahead to use the pressed powder to blend my entire face, to set my entire face.
And to breathe, can't go back to the days of playing hide and seek. Yeah.
So guys, the next thing she went ahead to do was to contour, and she used a powdered contour and also applied blush. So I'm using this 3-in-1 makeup face palette, and I'm using a very dark brown shade to contour. It wasn't giving like a very the kind of effect I wanted it to give, but I didn't want to use any liquid contour or like a liquid foundation, because we're actually following the routine and the techniques. So I went ahead to use like a powdered contour, and then went ahead to use a lipstick as my blush. And guys, for a while I've been loving like an orange tone blush, or rather an orange tone lipstick. I can't remember the last time I used a red blush, but because this has been giving a very nice tone, a very nice finish to my face, and this is what it looks like, guys. So guys, the next thing she went ahead to do was to apply lashes, and guys, you all know I don't do lashes, so I just went ahead to line my eyes and also apply mascara.
I remember when my mother would kiss me goodnight and tuck me in, and we would pray together. I recall a day a stranger had told me to not let my smile fade when the world was prettier. Oh, my innocence is gone, and I feel the cold front on its way now. I remember.
So guys, she went ahead to apply lipstick, or rather a lip gloss.
I might suffocate, running fast, pressure's on, and I can barely breathe.
But I just went to give it a very nice tone, and I went ahead to line my lips with a brown pencil, and also used a very light nude shade that goes with my lip color on a norm, and it won't be too much. So I went ahead to use this classic clear lip gloss to give it a very lovely finish. So this is what my lips is looking like, and I am loving how it turned out natural. So guys, the last thing she went ahead to do was to set her entire face, and voila.
And my flame is going strong, won't let it suffocate, running fast, pressure's on.
So guys, this is the final look. This is the complete look we just recreated, and guys, I am so loving how it turned out. We literally just followed Dimma Umeh Go-To makeup routine, and I am loving how it turned out, baby. Please leave a comment down below if you are definitely going to try out this everyday makeup routine. And guys, it came out so beautiful. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, it's all for now. See you guys in my next one. Bye.